In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for keyword research fast and easy. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to head over to Google Trends. To do that, simply open your preferred web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see Google Trends as the first result in the list. Click on that link, and it will take you to the Google Trends homepage. Now that you're on the Google Trends page, let's get started. You'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can input the keyword you're interested in exploring. For example, if you're curious about trends in digital marketing or home workouts, you can type one of those terms into the search bar. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Explore button. This action will open a wealth of data related to your keyword, offering insights into its popularity over time. Here's an important tip. Don't forget to make use of the filters provided to tailor your results more closely to your needs. You can adjust these filters to refine your search even further. Let's go through these options together. First, consider the location settings. You can focus on a specific country or choose a global perspective by selecting Worldwide. This option is particularly useful if you're targeting an international audience or focusing on a local market. Next, you want to select the appropriate time range. For current trends, you might choose past 12 months, which gives a snapshot of recent interest. Alternatively, for a more comprehensive view, the past 5 years can offer valuable insights into long-term trends, helping you see patterns or significant shifts over time. Moving along, you can also narrow your research by selecting a category relevant to your niche, such as health, finance, or technology. This will help you see what's trending in your specific area of interest and tailor your content strategy accordingly. The search type filter is another powerful tool. Depending on what you're investigating, you can filter results by web, image, news, shopping, or YouTube searches. Each type might give you a different perspective on how the keyword is being searched and in what format it's most popular. Once you have all your settings configured, you can now view all the information